Hello, my dear students. I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. So now in this lecture, we are going to discussing last concept of the fourth unit, that is plane of contact. Okay. So in plane of contact, first concept is enveloping cone. So now in this lecture, we are going to discussing definition of the enveloping cone and the problem based on enveloping cone. Very, very important, especially LAQ type of questions. Okay. So first of all, observe the problem, define enveloping cone, okay, and find the enveloping cone from the point capital P of 3, 4, 5 to the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. Okay. So already in second unit, we discussed about enveloping cone. Again, why we are going to discussing the same definition. Okay. So see, there the enveloping cone is different, but in this plane of contact, enveloping cone is different. Okay, that's why we are discussing two times the same definition. Once again, see the definition of the enveloping cone. Very, very important definition. The locus of the tangent lines to a conicoid or a quadric through any point is called enveloping cone. For example, what we are saying, the locus of the tangents lines to a conicoid or quadric. For example, if you take a conicoid like this, a cylinder shape, okay, conicoid. So locus of the tangents from this point, if you take tangents like this, now locus of the tangents through any point to a conicoid or quadric. Okay. So once again, I will draw the diagram. So be careful, try to understand the diagram. So whenever you take a cylinder, for example, in this format, if you take a cylinder like this is a cylinder. Now one point is there. So from here, one point, if you draw the tangents to that cylinder, locus of the tangents. Now see the definition, the locus of the tangents lines to a conic or a quadric, okay, from any point is called the enveloping cone. Whatever you are getting this above shape, that is called enveloping cone. For every enveloping cone, there will be a vertex, okay. That vertex we are saying through any point. Through any point is the vertex of the enveloping cone. This is the definition. Very, very important and easy. Now we are going to see the equation of the enveloping cone. For example, if you take ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1 is a quadric. Quadric is nothing but sometimes it is a sphere also, sometimes it is a cone also, sometimes it is a cylinder also. We can take any quadric, okay, which is existing in this format, ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. Sometimes it is an ellipsoid, hyperboloid, paraboloid, all the things with its vertex at alpha, beta, gamma. Whenever you take a quadric with vertex alpha, beta, gamma, for any line, x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by M is equal to z minus gamma by N. This line represents the generator or tangent line. Then the equation of the enveloping cone is given by S into S suffix 1 equal to T suffix 1 square. Okay, this is the equation. In second unit also we discussed the same thing. Enveloping cone equation, S into S suffix 1 is equal to T suffix 1 whole square. Okay. So then what are capital S? Where capital S is the equation of the given quadric in standard form. Capital S is congruent to given quadric equation. Either it is a sphere or paraboloid, ellipsoid or whatever it may be. You have to take with capital X. Ax square plus by square plus cz square minus 1. Next, what about S suffix 1? S suffix 1 is the in given paraboloid and given ellipsoid and given quadric, if you substitute the vertex alpha, beta, gamma in place of x, y, z, you will get one constant value. That constant value is called S suffix 1. Okay. So then what about T suffix 1? T suffix 1 is called polar plane. Polar plane. Okay. So sometimes we can also call it as a tangent plane. Tangent plane. If you remove alpha, beta, gamma, if you substitute x1, y1, z1, it is called a tangent plane. With vertex alpha, beta, gamma, it is called polar plane. polar plane. Okay. So T suffix 1 A alpha x plus B beta y plus C gamma z minus 1. So this is the total information regarding the enveloping cone in plane of contact concept. Okay. I hope you understand this definition very well and remember this equation very well. This is very, very important equation. Now, based on this equation only, we are going to find the enveloping cone equation. Observe the question. Find the enveloping cone from the point 3, 4, 5. What is this point? This is a vertex map. Vertex of the enveloping cone to the sphere. What is the sphere? Given quadric. Given quadric is the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. Now, step by step, we are going to see the solution for this problem. First of all, I am writing given sphere equation. Given sphere equation, that is our quadricomma x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. And given vertex of the enveloping cone. స్పియర్ కి వర్టెక్స్ ఉండదమ్మా, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ మీకు వర్టెక్స్ అని ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి, అది ఎన్వలపింగ్ కోన్కే ఉంటుంది. ఈజ్ cone is P of alpha, beta, gamma is equal to P of 3, 4, 5. This is the given information. Now, with the help of these two values, we have to find the equation of the enveloping cone. You know very well, we know that, what you know that? We know that equation of enveloping cone. Equation of enveloping cone is, tell me the equation. S into S suffix 1 is equal to T suffix 1 whole square. This is the equation. Directly you can take that equation. Okay. So now where, what is the S ma? S is the given sphere. Given sphere, what is the given sphere? X square plus y square plus z square minus 1. Okay. So here, what are the A, B, C values, amma? Here, small a, small b, small c. Small a is equal to, small b is equal to, small c is equal to, both three values equal to 1. Ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1 kada. ABC equal to 1 ayinayi manaku. Next, what is S suffix 1? S suffix 1 is equal to, S suffix 1 is equal to, in place of the given sphere x, y, z, substitute that 3, 4, 5. That means ma, so 3 square plus y means ma 4 square plus z means 5 square minus 1. So therefore S suffix 1 is equal to, what is the value? 9 plus 16 plus 25 minus 1. What is the value finally? 49. 9 plus 16, 25. 25 plus 25, 50. 50 minus 1, 49. And last value, మనకేంటంటే పోలార్ ప్లేన్ అని చెప్తాం కదా, T suffix 1. T suffix 1 is equal to, what is the equation actually for this one? A alpha x plus B beta y plus C gamma z minus 1. But here ABC equal to 1 na? So alpha x అంటే 3x plus beta y means ma 4y plus gamma z means 5z minus 1. These are the values. Substitute these three values in this equation number 1. Substitute in equation number 1 and simplify. You will get the required equation of the enveloping cone. So now I am substituting the values. Observe carefully. So therefore, S means ma x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. This is the S. S suffix 1. S suffix 1 means 49 is equal to T suffix 1. What is the T suffix 1? 3x plus 4y plus 5z minus 1 whole square. Now multiply with 49. 49x square plus 49y square plus 49z square minus 1 into 49. 49 is equal to, see here, a plus b plus c whole square formula. This value take a, this value take as b, this value take as c. A plus b plus c whole square formula, you know very well. So many times I explained this formula in this chapter only. So therefore a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the a plus b plus c whole square formula. According to that formula, expand this RHS value. If you expand that RHS value, so now a square means 3x whole square, that means 9x square plus b square 16y square plus c square 5z minus 1 whole square plus 2ab 5z minus 1 5z minus 1 whole square plus 2ab 2 into 3x into 4y plus 2bc plus 2bc means 2 into 4y into 5z minus 1 plus 2ca 2 into 5z minus 1 into 3x. Okay, this is the total expansion of the formula. So now 49x square plus 49y square plus 49z square minus 49. Okay, so take all that values. First of all, 9x square plus 16y square. Expand this value again a minus b whole square formula na 5z minus 1 means manaki em ostadi 25z square. 5z whole square means 25z square minus 1 means minus 1 whole square means plus 1 and minus 2ab means 10z. Okay, plus 2 3 ja 6 6 4 ja 24xy. Next 2 4 ja 8 8 5 ja 40 plus 40, 2 4 the 8, 8 5 the 40 yz plus 2 4 the 8, 8 into minus 1 minus 8y. Be careful with simplification. 2 3 the 6, 6 into 5 30 zx plus into minus 2 3 the 6x minus 6x. Okay, now take all RHS values to LHS and simplify them. Then 49x square plus 49y square. See, all terms I will write at one place. Then you will get the clarity. See, minus. First of all, after 49x square, I am writing 9x square plus next to 49y square, next to minus 16y square plus next to 49z square minus 25z square. After squares write xy, yz, zx values if any values are there. See, xy, take plus value మీరు LHS తీసుకొస్తే మైనస్ అవుతుంది minus 24xy. After xy, yz minus 40yz. After yz, zx minus 30zx. After xy, yz, zx, next to take xyz values. Any xyz values here plus 6x. Minus atu kada, minus it వస్తే plus అవుతుంది. So plus 6x. Next after plus 8y. Next plus 10z. What is the constant here? Minus 49. Minus 49 and one more constant here, plus 1 is there, plus 1. Okay, plus 1 it వస్తే మీకు ఏమవుతుంది minus 1 అవుతుంది. So therefore minus 50 equal to 0. So now finally I will write the required equation of the enveloping cone. 49 minus 9 40x square plus 49 minus 16. 49 minus 16 అంటే మనకి ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 33y square plus 49 minus 25 24z square. Next minus 24xy minus 40yz minus 30zx plus 6x plus 8y plus 10z minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, so అన్ని మనకు ఇట్లా వచ్చినాయి. So this is the required enveloping cone equation of the given sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 with vertex at 3 4 5. Okay, so this is the This is the required enveloping cone equation of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. Okay, so if you write in this format, this will be the representation of the problem. Okay, so nothing ma, ee problem ఏంటంటే మనకి ఏంటంటే just ఈ terms, if you perfectly write these terms, then you can easily solve the problem. S అంటే ఏంది, s suffix 1 అంటే ఏంది, t suffix 1 అంటే ఏంది, ఈ 3 వాల్యూస్ ని తీసుకెళ్లి ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి జాగ్రత్తగా మీరు సింప్లిఫై చేసిరు అనుకోండి, then you will get the final solution. Okay, so this is the total explanation regarding the enveloping cone. Okay, I hope you understand this lecture very well. In the next lecture, we are coming with one more topic. Make a perfect practice, prepare well. All the best for your preparation from CR Publishers. This is K. Viresh signing off, CR Digital Classes. Thank you.